morning, each and every one of you. Just some king in day one. So I did not anchor program here yesterday, and I know I'm doing this program late, but it's all the same. I will try to do early program tomorrow. And all that. But there's something that I want to say before I sleep. J-Pipe, you went to podcast about Boroge. You said, the worst thing, I just look some hopeless women that are supporting you. I know you have no regard where women are. I can relate to men. They when they are supporting you, they're not supporting you that what you did is right, though, but they're just supporting you because they feel that one is not supposed to be talking to Nwoke like that. That is, our Igbo ways of doing things. I can understand that part. It takes a real man to look into your face and tell you that, nah, you fuck up. But you see all these useless women that believe that Ogechi thinks that she runs stuff on social media. That why wouldn't we support you? Some will come up and make up stories, say people, they disturb them. Say, but don't be waiting, I gotta go here. Anyway, that is the story for another day. I don't have time for noise. There's some things I call noise. I don't have time for them. Hey, what I go? Now, J-Pipe, you went to podcast and you start calling your mother. You start calling that Ashawe Loro, that Ibuya is more than 50 years old, Ashawo. You start calling her that she's over 50 years. J-Pipe, you don't even have respect. You don't have an atom of respect. To even if somebody are joking, they'll get chicken and you make all. My brother is Sana. The calibers of people that I associate with when you are around me. To even when the impetus, when the guts to say in about 50, you insulted those old women. You make get that interview, and you insulted all these bastard old women that come out on social media to support you. J-Pack, J-Pack, am I older than you? How old are you? Am I older than you? Come jigo digi that you want to come and claim small boy overnight because he beat on whom we begin between him and we here. He beat on whom the men, Anambra men that I know that start from 20 after have a child boy, for that got boy, or just how many 1 year, 2 years, they settle on her. Men ye brigina, watch her nine heben, we are from the same place. You are at this age in Anambra State, you don't have all of Ben Nage. You are just cursed entirely. I don't know Gaga with a paint white and green, post paint here. J-Pack, you should be ashamed of yourself at this age in Anambra State as Anambra man. Which are a when you school you go. That's okay, you spent years in school. From here to here to here to here. To this age, you never put any structure. Anambra man is you are still empty. You're not talking about men. Let me like a block in here. Oh yeah. Shinga for fuck off. We are talking about Anambra men. The hustle from 20 years. How old are you? You are in your 40s. You are just empty as any other fucked up person. Yes, that's how they behave. But when it comes to Anambra men, I don't know if I want to block some certain people in that. I don't know. Get away the gods to be talking. Now boom, we got so many. Someone are gonna throw. Because everything things that he should email before me. Is that why you're calling yourself it? You are an idiot. You are an idiot. You are a hopeless idiot. Igrana podcast. Look at how I am crawling, sucking your blood on a daily basis. I say, now olive oil like drinking or you go olive oil. This thing or you go olive oil. Even if I drink olive oil, how is that your business? Eh? Look at how useless you are, because if he begi many here bugles or war can as an Anambra man. Bagoduru to become an Anambra man or pushy can. Gena dim on your door. Gena dim on your door. Let me ask you. Ewumbatatan. I'm gonna get tang. Get do you know what? Mahu batan negedoro. On your way, baby. Now blew up. Let me tell you one thing, that worst thing that will happen to you. Let me tell you the worst thing that will happen to you is because of a deroki begiserente. You keep throwing yourself back on with her jog game. Oh yeah. Let me block your destiny. So Jepa Ipama Hono Kasaga Shiade. It's an hour about time happen. Saga years. Oh, so wait. You guys thought like Muna Jepa can be dog and I'll share tomorrow. Or you better go and ask the history of Saga. Saga last years. Years. Now this world. Jepa can damn put it. Oh, Jepa can talk to everything here, Balaga. Oh no. Saga is for years. Saga is years. Saga will get water. No, it's a continuation of problem. I'm gonna get decided when I'm tired, which I'm not tired in time. January, February, I continue this saga with Muna J Park. See, you are just dreaming. You are just wasting your time. Muma decide when to fucking stop. Oh, so for the night we may take way happier. And then I say, when a good dancer dancer, you know how when to leave the stage, but the people are not. Oh, unichona saga. Una don't understand what is saga. These people are dreamers. When they dream, they talk. When they dream, they talk. When I have time to mess with you guys, I start replying under my videos. That is when I have time. But when I can get bigger, when I go relax, some enemies will come. Go and see what is happening under her comment section. That was the purpose. The purpose is to see people like you. Jebaki told me that he would negate Stanley. Jebaki told me that he would negate bomb. Oh, Jebaki, what Jebaki told me that he would negate bomb. Yes. Oh, so Uchunu Sagawu 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, Yapush. I these people don't understand though. Say Saga an everlasting problem. Everlasting problem. Are you seeing me replying to anybody? Are you seeing me replying to any fucking body? Hell no. Imechaga get focus on he better Facebook could be me. You stay in the game. I will not talk to you. I will just focus on where they focus. You continue with your business. So your husband cannot come on, Meshano. Get the fuck out. Do you think I marry a man that puts me under depression, or do you think I marry the man that says Shimo get you have to be a slave because you're a woman? Do you think I'm stupid? Do you think that's the kind of man I marry? No. I did not marry foolish shitting like all of you. That for the how long and hash upon a Facebook you can't talk. Yes, that's not the man. That's not the kind of man I married. If you like, you drop Ogechi, told me. Ogechi, told me. It will not change anything. Hey, Chrissy Deco. Also, they go, Ogechi, told me, Ogechi, Yakuchapa, Yapoto, give Yapoto. Ogogeruan in go to Ribe, Ogagafe, other ones. If you like a sing, Ogechi told me, Ogechi telling me, Ogechi said, oh, Yakuchaya Poto, give Yapoto. Oh my God, Oga can't give him. It's a one hour. It's a 1 hour. Ogechi told me, Ogechi told me, Ogechi told me, Berepaki told me, Jerepaki told me, JJ told me, Ngahi pay a quarter. Oga can't pay. I just have to be honest with you. J-Parky told me, Ogechi said, J-Parky told me, see man, baby, I'll come and sing I'm I can also rap. No, Nigeria, I can produce a song every day. So if you like, make him go produce another one. J-Parky told me, baby, I can't enter, see man, I can't enter, I can't enter. J-Parky told me, Ngibe, bong. Give her nothing new. Let me block this chisum. I don't know what I go get. Oh yeah, come bound to again. You know, little happy commenting. Do tala. Ife na. Oh yeah. No, I don't want distraction. Amamu, why I cannot be able to block some of you. I don't know what is going on Facebook. If I can block, if I can't block. But majority of the time I cannot block. It's only giving me band. So, only Hoga, get your me put to my song. J-Parky told me. Ima J-Parky when the brain age aqua. More I can coordinate a boo. I'm multi-talented. God goes remote. I can put up anything you want me to put up. For let's say in a saga, I just concentrate on. I'm way prepared when it comes to talents. Oh yeah, let me rest inside the nigga. Oh yeah, bound. Let I come comments. Banned you for now. Shut up. Close your mouth. Get out. So you don't believe that J-Parky is the only person that can compose song. You just they play. Yeah, even ya compose Chimeji about saga. Yeni egu saga. J-Parky told me we egu saga. Ndo na J-Parky dey make commercial saga. You don't understand. Now, yeah, I'm a Mitchell saga where day thing. Or 2 days, or 2 months, or 1 year, or 2 years. Hell no! It's not saga. Saga is saga. Go and ask Benin people from Onya, yes, Onya, from Abiawe chain reaction. Saga is very contaminated. Okay, it's good when a good dancer know when to stop. When they step on a leg, it's such a grammar. Or guy shifts. They're signing no more the music industry. Come and sign me. I am talented. I can compose here now. I'm gonna act. If I start acting and get about warm, I want to act in anime. Whichever way you want. So by this time I was one more channel. I miss you guys yesterday. I was in my other page. You know, I miss you guys. I wanted to see that page too, you know. I want everybody to follow me in everywhere. Makechi, you know. Actually, you can't block us. It's like you know what up this blue app now these days. I don't understand what's going on. If truly you are love of Ebukobi and we're members of Zion, I expect you to forgive that young man. That was once your closest. He's not my closest friend. And stop bringing Ebukobi in whatever you want to say. Stop it. Stop bringing Ebukobi in what I am doing. No. Did you hear what I said? Stop bringing Ebuka Obi in what I'm doing with J-Pipe. We have say Ramona J-Pipe Oku. Hapu Aku, happy Ebuka Obi. Do your thing. Yeah, Joe. I'm gonna leave Ebuka Obi out of what I do. Share the link. I won't follow. Hey, well, you never follow. You supposed to follow now. You follow that page, yo. Make it dabanga in the morning. It's my like trouble. When it's like my chola sobu, but it's my like trouble. I like. It's my like it sobu. So when are you coming back to Nigeria? Did he Unegi Yorogi back? Galachi back to Ebeshire Morgan. Asha Sugar wedding in January 25th at Enugu. It's quite unfortunate that I will not be there. But she brought in Sima and baby. But that was what she told me. Only allowed evidence. Yeah, we tell me evidence. By then we start talking about man that he wanted the audacity and the right to open a filthy, empty brain to ask me a question. You're not in any position to ask me any goddamn thing. I have spoken my truths. I have spoken my truth. If you don't want to believe it, belong wherever you want to belong. Fuck you and fuck what you think. I don't give a fuck. Come share go do that page, Saga, that my Saga page. Nah, Rende, we to get chike, we get chi the second. Chidekanda. Okay, Chizukwarike. Leave it with this morning, no. Leave it with this morning, no. Again, the morning be each la run out to early morning. Each la run out in the morning. It will not look early morning. So why would I leave it with that you consume every morning? When I manage a moment, ni barwa. Yeah. Na manager mo wen ni be. Arem boje kitianas. Ekitolo. Ijide Bermuda Triangle ba ga abore ya, avore ya. Na kuye kuma wonye. Lekwa the link, follow it my brother. That's my page, honey. That's the page I was yesterday. Ijide Bermuda Triangle ga abore ya. It's quite unfortunate that I will not be at Sugar's wedding. Okay, go and feed your husband. You talk too much. My husband has already eaten. I've given him food. On a mezi homework yana. Gochku na mezi homework yana obana room yana emere homework ya. So I need not to disturb him. Now, as you're talking to him on a computer, on a laptop, on an homework ya. So which food again? But since your mouth no good, really? Okay, let me block. I've been waiting for you, idiots. This foolish company. You begin on. If you are not careful, okay. Let me block you. Okay, I hope blocking will come out of. Okay, blocking coming out. Oh yeah, rest in hell. Go and bury Jelie Kelly Negi. I like this decency. Oh God, I like that. So that is my link. You can follow the page. I missed you guys yesterday. One day frustrated idiot. yesterday. I miss you guys, honestly speaking. I miss you guys very much. I miss you guys so much. So much. So, telling me to go and feed my husband. My husband is a grown-ass man. I just serve dish. Yeah. I cannot feed him. Yes, my husband alone ma dopanizi. Nda alụrụ alụ achọwu mgbe ahụ ha achọpụ ha. Ọ dị easy nwoke alụhụ ga-etire ya akwụkwọ with a spiritual paper. Ya bịa here. Ọ mara na m file my husband. Imagine. Alụhụ alụmeti spiritual paper. Mgbe immigration jụrụ m shi, where is your paper? No, don't curse the person. Let me educate idiots. Let me tell you. My immigration jurum, where is my traditional and my white wedding and my court wedding? You know what I did? I evoked spiritual paper. I can't send them to them. Hey, le chanhuya spirit in here, akwukwa but we here. Mark weji afalele as wedding here. On Odikwanese, is it easy? But it's better for me. I'll vocal spiritual documents. Tiga na this America. Dan alurumuti. I find they are out now. My womb, which one do you choose? I want the only child that my parents is expecting me to give him one child. Later along the process, I matter that womb adokala. You have given stuff. Sons and husband, they sleepless. But I hope you that he will soon leave. Oh, you are hoping that he will soon leave me. He cannot leave me. You know why? Let me list you the things happen. If I'm not industrious, if I come depending on his own, I am made before I got married. And nothing touched my womb. Legal means. When I pisara womb maka, properly. That's why that I'm not the only child. That especially it very delicate. I'm not coming to Nigeria. I've told you to take your Nigeria and shovel it in your mother's ass. So telling me I cannot come to Nigeria is already a done deal. So now listen. Dim cannot leave me because I am the brain behind the house. Idea Jurumnishi. He cannot leave me because I'm not talking home code over it. Ego patagaya for next future. You want to go? I don't depend on them and again them crayfish. I am a self-to-build person. Go and ask my question. So, Bami Hoja on a happen in the sense of that citizenship woman and webemia gonna happen in the sense of organ school. I'm room standard Diana school. I'm room doctorate, room PhD on him, and I know reach that side. But one day, aging my associate, give my bachelor's. No, in 6 figures, no, but that. So tell me now, Hoja happen. On a happen that you happen, another man will not marry me. I'll package. Every man needs pain. I won't pack over SS package. Makachine Kifugochuku said today, make him leave. And that one add the two. I'll get you when whatever it takes. So Bami Hoja happen. Am I a liability? Am I a liability? But God Bami Hoja happen soon. Anthony, don't worry. We're in Nigeria, negi. I am not coming. You don't understand. Of course, I know now. Is it my pin here? The account. My pin here. This your comment. I know. The girl over on my about. Amamu. What did? What I go? I know they come. Galari go na this ashi ndi Igbo mbagi billionaires ndi Igbo juru here. They chawelo ha na hicho onwe ha. Ibe here one of the richest Nigerian people enwere here ndi Igbo. Ha ji onwe mu to ma everything. Life are okay. How Igbo develop Abuja. Abuja wunga owali Igbo nna gi. How Igbo hoshiri Lagos. How Igbo dija na Abuja na Igbo enwere houses. Ngonye ola ngiruru ga akpachigom here. Very soon I'm closing my house here. If forget manu megidena zulu obodo oyibo. Ulo water almost $1 million. One knowledge jimen negi. Come on, get out. Ebonye biko na wachi. Ala jimen negi. No me be no man no ebem na like rabia. Ebonye biko na wachi. O hendi bozara. Ahuna monye na ze ebonye biko na wachi. Chief onye ebonye biko na wachi on di bozara. I say I'm not coming. Citizen. All my generation to come, we are now citizens. So I know they come. You want to go? I know they come. I know him not a email. Nemu. Nemu. My cousins. Sorry, not my cousins. My nephews, my nieces, my siblings. We are all here. And we are all blue. Nobody they use green. Nobody they use green passport. We are all blue residents. So Anayogamini unegidea. Echom nene. No, eba hokala no Brinu dear. Emmanuel, I said I'm not. See, even if Akumanda me 20, I know they come. I know won't go. I still have his red pant picture. No, my. I don't know where very dark man and you guys cannot do shit. For years. You guys did not do nothing. If it's not to me, every day can't Nigeria. The highest you game to hire assassin. Hire assassin. You guys cannot do shit than to hire assassin on you game. One day when come back to Nigeria if Nigeria is good. I don't know. You are blessed there, and I love how you imagine Nigeria or problem tabuga when 1 million problem for that Lola they are talking because there is no womb. You want to go? Single, but I'm still living with my husband who America knew that all my husband before when who until a spiritual paper to fight for him. You want to go at the Panisi? Who forged the spiritual paper? Piam! Shemba, America. I say it's my husband, give him paper. When my mom, what is so special about Nigeria? Imagine a shower way marry. Where they come out in womb, husband carry and come out for house. Despite you are the only child of your parents are supposed to be happy, be proud of you. Your parents supposed to have about 3 or 4 grandchildren. That is why I'm sure you must go. Okay, I don't know that you might want any other thing to comment. You are a tout. You can't even put up a complete sentence. So no need of wasting my time with you. Eh? I shall wait. So am I your mother with the only child? Oh, Fumburanya jokes you bo. Ebashirine in a bagim bakiri. No, I don't give my hope. Why do you think parents again and they go on time when you get the Lord? Get room down. Where there is no womb. I brag like this for like and I am not. See, listen. I don't need to tell you that Allah, but thank God that every spiritual document as a marriage couple Tia, America, go to the green card of Tano, but all easy. Melianu, I have say you know, Mary. And so, Melianu Yano, Maya, Imea, Maya, I took go Doguan, or Doguan. Triumph. I took go Doguan, ne walk. Even if you come back to Nigeria, nothing will happen. My brother, I'm not even coming. Honestly, it's not easy. You really did well for your husband, and he will never betray you. I will go to when I got back, I can't want the same day. When you let me tell you, I did not marry a tout. I did not marry a team. I did not marry a man who think comfort. I marry a well-educated, well-informed. Mado go chango go be a brain bitokwe obodo anago. Soon na ya pian doctorate. Anako eri. Get on the same level. Do you get on the you be like go brula Ochebiano if you say I know the drag am say on Facebook. Eh? You be like go about it wokibe. Ai chineke. Woke brand obodo we put your fingerprints. Maybe my piano rank and as I'm talking to you last week, in a new rank. Before you know it now, before the end of next year now, you present your document here. Education now. It's not all in a caterinike. Yola ne be better no work a chineke brain. Brain age presidential house. Undi tian date and down Roman you in a Facebook or working. They are very intimidated by the truths. But behind law shall do and all shall no get common sense. I shall always say a deguan area cannot I shall cannot bring brain give you. Come on, go rest. That's only can get you your own. Children, Anama low way. Anama low way. I know they come. Now J Pipe, we have belly face. Like I said, I have problem with you. Saga comes with everything. Actually, only want to go dialogue. Ndola nebe. Okay, he said you're tormenting J Pipe in a mobile war. So you think those trash J Pipe make a commercial about getting? You think they're bigger than my father? You must be mad though. Anyway, you know your platform now go on you go try you go and sleep. Now you go to carry the one where I talk could they go. And when more time to carry the one where you talk could they go because your own is inconsequential. It means nothing. Now you go to listen to me. After listening to me, you go and start saying about what I said. You want to go? You go inside. Some will just come out and formulate. Oh! She came and I came home. If it's about okay, but nobody knows you, honey. Who you want a time for rubbish? Go Nigeria, go do it. I'm a no more Frederick. I'm a more one name. I'm a more. I believe Hashi not the best place. I say I don't want to go best place. I don't want to. Let me tell you. If Nigerian government is looking for me, and when I'm a lot of properties in Nigeria, when I'm a lot of things that gives me money on daily basis in Nigeria. So what they should do, they should confiscate all my properties. That is how they should. That is what they do. They do most wanted. They don't need to look for me if they cannot apprehend me. They first of all confiscating all my properties in Nigeria, and when businesses that run on daily basis and yield money. So I don't know why you guys are doing their job for them. Yes, I've given him publicity. Though why are you here talking about it? Go and support him now. Biggest publicity. And I will continue to give him that biggest publicity. You know what? We are here to grow one another. Are you not happy that I'm growing him? Are you not happy that I'm supporting him to publicize him the more? Is it not what to grow? We lift others by supporting others. That shouldn't be your concern. So the publicity will continue. I'm even glad that you know that I can publicize somebody. That is why I don't want to give some people relevancy. I've decided on the publicity. That should be, at least you should give me credit for that. And we'll continue to do that. The publicity will continue to grow. So I don't know why that should bother you. I will tell you publicity, I'm nigga. Or you like it, yeah? If you don't like it, you shouldn't comment it here. And I call it. Or you like it, yeah? All the publicity can get in here on daily basis. But I mean, why the publicity they will get pen it on. Well, it's a good thing. And I call it. After you go shoot on a leg. Idiots. Somebody that humiliated my father. And support whoever you want to support. It's none of my business. I don't have business. Do I call all of you? Have you ever seen me pick up calls to call any of you? I don't give a fuck. I don't care. If you believe that what I'm doing is wrong, go to where you will join them. I don't care. You want to go? I don't give a fuck. When I get them a jam today, I decided to join my enemy. Good luck. We met on Facebook and our relationship is supposed to stop on Facebook. I don't know you personal. And then when in the friendship woman on Facebook, we get lead it to personal life. If our own did not get to that level, one day you are free to move. You don't owe me nothing, I don't owe you nothing. Nobody owes anybody any fucking thing. Period. Hey, matter on Facebook, you're supposed to end here. Nothing should forge ahead. You don't own whom get that you must support me in everything I do. Why would you do that? Do I support you in everything you do? Believe rejoin. If you wake up today say, now my enemy, you want to join them. I owe you nothing, honey, and you owe me nothing. I can release it to you. Get release here to me. So the only one a piece of I won't name him Ghana Kadi. I know they know say you they exist. I know they see one thing the woman you know go. If I dim your light, that is it. I won't name them bigger than every other person. Hell no. But that's my chon. Delete gomgi. Unless now you see the poke on me, now you see the notice me. My dear, my dear, okay, something. They will not see what others did to me. They will see when I'm showing my anger. You brought out my dead father. You mocked my dead father. And you still want me to each camera in some certain way. I should not target anything that is targetable. And people want to come and tell me this is not supposed to be in saga. This is supposed to be in saga. One day you are free to join anywhere where you want to join. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. Oba Salomo. I told me we're a good person to any bagger. He made me fair. Anyhow I won't fight, I go fight. Period. A problem in Nigeria where when I will get a power to women somebody. I did Chicago here now. Now here I be my residence. Now here I did. Now here I Bokoso. I may do investment in Nigeria, which is a normal thing. Every Igbo man I like to invest back home. Asha Korula man onye parayani. I can rent my personal house as a B&B, which I have even planning about doing. What I can test my personal property, Airbnb. I see they collect my money here, so I'm not losing in any way. All the new way of making dough. It's called networking business. Like this hospital I'm building now. As soon as I'm done with it, I will not be there to practice anything. It's called networking. I'll be earning life. Oh, Michael Obi. Do you expect me to be there running the hospital? I will hand it over to them to hand you over. The thing is that Togechi have laid that legacy. And that's end the game. Only all I want is the way they want to do stuff. Any day now, I move on. Current concern, no Gechi build them. It doesn't matter what you tag them. That legacy is there. Cry me a river. I don't give a fuck. It is an amigo they call the runner for Nigeria. Come on, fuck off, man. We are in 2024, baby. You are in 2024, baby. It's called telecom. COVID, you know, keke shago log. Keke doctor she prescribe rogog. Keke doctor she hungi turu zoom. That ko wa heme gagene. Must I be there? On a forgot to a COVID lara. The doctor gashige, a coach symptoms, gashig okay, run this test, camera more him again. How test another day, make zoom communication and that's it. And I got you. You will run your house. I see and they become far. I see some people asking me, how you gonna come around? I don't have to be there. I will handle that to people in church here. Those that know that this foundation was built by so person. Yes. So person in the Prundibo. Millions of naira. They are one half a shoko. So persons come on the Biafra. Biafra half a shoko. It's already been built. And a nothing. So deal with it. That is how it is. What I go? So you bet talk about it. Gaga. Everybody manager me. Oh, men are millions. Everybody remember Chamana Gigepu. Actually, drop all this voice note. Sorry, drop all this life. Naga Mama. But cheerful labor kun, so no need of sleeping. You need to call me. Muna gini diriku. Need to talk. Very, very important. Don't forget. We need to talk. So for those of you, J-Pipe, you went to podcast. Gagwa one the podcast. Someone I got the wine in and there. Gagwa had 50 years. No way he me. You insulted them. Open came and insulted. Am I able to think and I would them now? Oshi, we are working on your extradition, but only she can work so hard because I don't know what I have. I want you to work timelessly, put all your time to extradite me. Because all this is like a woman who that way. All this is like a woman that you guys cannot do shit. So, Emmanuel, that you a man enough. Emmanuel. A man that I will not call you a man that talk without action. What I go? Do it as soon as possible. I will not block you because I will keep reminding you that you have not completed your task as a man. Man, hold on, what came in Aoru, Omeru Hunya, Wawolo Wanala, Anyana to Gamu, Nye Panuru. As it is now, Emmanuel, I am challenging you before I'll come out to your armor. And they young cause of Panuru are there and come away. You about 10 to 14 inches. You have to extradite Unegi as soon as possible. We're gonna not block them. Mark that face. You're not on a platform. Anytime I'm anchoring program. Before we cut that amuge, I will cut it and open it to transfer it to one. If you don't do it, don't block him. We mark that face, my admin. So we're gonna be tagging him to remind him that he has not fulfilled his duty as a man. So that tagging him, make sure that you guys picture that name. Can you because some work for any dinner to one other men that store. Ah, the ayayari too large. Because you went here by a mood or banage. And then you go open a shima go to every month. Keep a prada time me here. Don't block me, but it's fair. So we will see about that. Anyway, your connection stop it where my own. Come on, Meshani. When the connection or got born many when the connection know they talk. Even for you commenting, I know that you are manless. You know what? I'm not gonna block you. If I block you, man, that's everything I'm gonna get that or go here. I'm not gonna block you. Nobody just comment. I'm not comment. I don't like this. Anyway, come let go the picture. Because I'm like you, okay? Because I'm like I'm mad name me. Man, who you name in case of tomorrow. So Allah. Why are you blocking your account now? Open it. Men, you know they hide themselves. Real men cannot block their account, mark anything. If you're man enough, open this your useless Facebook that you blocked and be ranting on that blocking accounts. We will not block you. We want to see your face. My everybody tag, my ema tag because I cannot tag again. You don't have any for funky bege posture. Your connection is connectless. You don't have shaken and you can't do a damn thing. Come bapagia before gonna waste the time, okay? I'll block your account here. We cannot see the face. To tell him that he know that he's manless already. He's not man enough. You want to go? I'll bag a family problem. I will get this bastard. The baby comment here now. Gabalaga. Or solve which have a problem here as a man. He actually solve my another problem. Hey, my head not about you, these people. I'll bag the kind of family problem that will get money. Instead of them to focus and deal with problems, I'll be with another world that God throw her to their early grave, which is me. I'm a good problem came with that when they still want to try their God. Look at Toshi, where your connection stop. I know you are connected. Where your connection start is shh. You know, get call of conscience. Mission. When men in connection talking, you shut up and watch them do their things. I show Okubane ego. Ubenye mission, just mission again. You don't want it. Just a one again. Let them make klima. Na prohibitional na here go let through hambu ba che package through mu oki be hambu and shut your dirty trash. Asum ge wonye block ga Emmanuel Ifeanyi Chukwu. Yes. Open that your account image. Kai man hiji as a man. Cause I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna dobi amo get day guy another man imam. Cause you don't want carry that long stick, that 3 leg. Can't give you 3 leg. You what to ya? No block him. No block him for check him. You block him when anything or game many, which I know that organ is shit. She organ. Give me a corner. When I'm challenged, it would issue come on la cheji. Bamji bagiana barwogia no mejigi. May ha who give come on la cheji bewaniano. Bamji bagiana. Oh, he carini. He got say, come on, la. Me good here can okay for once. Because I'm not coming. Each one when you're take a long process. When you catch a guy on down. Eche may Jibru working no America. But then I know that you're capable enough. Now J-Pipe ije na podcast gakowa all the women in Odia. Kowa honu. Shihana, they are of 50 years old. Now J-Pipe, let me advise you. Ngega galuru a 50 years old woman. Omu ise. kala ge mada na shower loro. Cause a shower, or even if we are about 100 years. This prostitute the way you marry. Ngiga galuru a 50 years old woman whom is she kala ge man. A woman whom is she than this a shower where you marry. A woman never get a shower from Lagos to Abuja. If we are about over 100 and something years, you know, be today. I don't know why every time you go every place, you say, hey, my wife gave me tough time. Nah lie. You know, say you all those things is just to cover up where you met your wife. We know that you are just covering up where you met a shower when again a club. That is why you mommy, that's Emmanuel. Na senator son, senator man of Anam. Come on, get out. Come on, get out. Senator, kweme him there. Senator, kweme that Emmanuel and kweme generation. Ya uruza senator gine me. Fuck that senator. Fuck unaya, fuck unaya. Na me they talk am with a full chase. All of them never catch very dark man in Nigeria. Na me they won't catch. Sooner again that senator get there. Come on, get that rubbish thing out of this place. Go to the senator, Megan. See how very dark man is dealing with them. They can't do nothing. Koiri. I pity you. I pity you, Samuel commentary. I pity you because you are in perpetual poverty and problem. Chinek amado hamabukwegi. Na koiri. Come on, commentary onya priamu ohuru shinga for siso. Is a tina tachan. Is a tina ye bukwan desnata son bukwa gene. Ndara. Ikari Shimon all the new elect, governor elect. Can I say, oh, all the Jews to reduce your to son. Or what did the man senator? Bamunna kebowa kwadia. Echukwa ma she senator. So mama show son. All the Jews to reduce your to son. Come on, shirigamu mini shinga for so. Ana koiri. Anya. Comment akparo bish again. Ma chiri akpa amu ya che ga onu ga akporo ya onu chap. Isusumbu onwe gi. Chenya tachan. Why not become senator? Why in son? Ndala. It's everywhere. Each and any blue passport to your mama mates. My own is not only blue passport to Ndala. Bunch of ewus. Each and I will live in Nigeria where you cannot talk. If you talk one, she hope you have seen it. Mepe senator, unfortunate senator son, me pay that your account. Let me see your senator level. Me pay this your account. You hope you have seen it bunegi. Biama dodja get that thing imregi senator. You will mega senator. You should even respect me for coming to my platform in the first place. A senator's son that is broke as idiot but on my platform. Imagine. Senator son apare kubu opage. He apre dynasty and the places ya wuru na platform ogechi. Ashikwa me pa jobless as a senator son jobless buku ibu nnegi na amun na ge muru gene. Chineke pokwa aga okun. He happened what you're supposed to be doing, how to save Nigerian life. Ya wuru na platform ogechi ke ebira. The unfortunate senator. So he claim what you are not. You are Rupolagaka. Idiot to Potarashina Shingo Balanaza governor. Oh, Lilan Dimo. Yana Kuyaba. I'm Shinga. Lopia Yana. O Kenkitanazo Khan. Oh, he butchered to Bununine. Not Koiri. The kind of way these people they play themselves, they scatter up my brain. That ndala. Imagine. It was Senator Gabana platform bere gbawe. Apam the senator bu okwa gede ya. Come on shinga Sus out of here. Ige mail ikpud nege stradit. Uche Adan Dubisi, you welcome Jerry. Ndala, na call you. Even if I'm coming to Nigeria, arrest him, they can give me the Buhari arrest. Makachi. Guys, somebody get arrest everywhere. The whole bloggers get buya. Even if say they come now, because nobody will know Queen. Whether I'm Mama, Nanjo, you don't know me, you say you don't know me. Do you understand what I'm saying? So any attempts, even people that will interfere will be more sharp than you expected. Even in them, which kind of a human being is this? Don't go the kid aware. Kid aware. Because but awesome. Okay, not some. Kid aware came and here. Let's assume time decided to pay me to come. Oh, I'm not like an ordinary person, like every other person. You go rest everywhere, I go calm down. Okay, dear, where? What would you guys weekend? Every year, I'm gonna make it because I did not commit any crime. You curse me, I curse you. I didn't commit any crime. I didn't take anything. I didn't do anything. If you think that I have violated your rights, you sue me. Take me to court and sue me. That is it. And when any criminal offense, none of anything, and when they talk, you guys are just hopeless, stupid, bunch of idiots. Even if you take me to police, I carry my back, come back. After then, if you want to take me to court, say I did I deformate you. I will also sue you that you deformated me as well. Case begin to go. Now waiting will they see for this world. So there is nothing. You guys, I got you. Oh, he's a criminal. It can never be a criminal offense. I got to come back. I'm not coming. And I'm not coming. So even at the boss, that be much like Bamuga Cape, why I hear Chineka Bogo, Gagachi, you are coming, we are coming. I'm coming too. Good morning, Why he hate him? Why he believe that when I hate me? When they love room for who I am, when they that will take my case for head, when they that see who gave me chiameta. That is how it is. On civil aspect is 1 billion naira. I think I expected you to come on, Shinga voice. Come on, Shinga voice, man. Susu fonga. Suzu Shinga for. Apparently too much. In the Zuzu. Namapa mo. Ijotanunga ne Suzu. I have to show you that they way hot. Anyway, let me concentrate on the idiot here. She can't run. He's already, come on, he can't run, he's already in process. Why are you not proud to open your account? Open only your account. Open your account. Who is running? Eyirim onye na-agba ọsọ. Eyirim onye gbaga ọsọ. You kind of need that. You should have kept your mouth shut. And then you come and write. Why are you here telling us something that is still on process? Why are you here? I'm not gonna block them. No block them. Leave them. No block them. Not block them. Why are you here? Something that is on process. Why are you here? Is already in process. Process of 1 billion. Now the noise is kissing. In fact, teacher made these people ignore. Teacher no made this. Only no. Process more. He not a process. Gabara bag. He shimaro get ye. Gababus of Babam. Today I got one no cool. Mother had a bunu na this blew up. What would they call me? I want a problem. When you mag out for this blew up. Hey, today. Here na process ye be get what I can't take a block or say make we no see your face. Or lamini na lebu kubu page. Idiots. Atono. Is 1 billion naira and criminal aspect. You will see that. Come on! But they get up but I can't see any block on Ndala. Stupid hungry youths. Don't have corner. There's this one. Chineka I'm a quaggy beat na no one does a brave idiots and I will send a tip niggy. I'm doing my jack paga pamuga ija show. Na koili she for that me liba bajagi babugi na koili le na ton le anu ya lady atono lady mumu bastard le nde senator apamu ge baja akwa. If you can my platform to come and threaten apa hebo waragani. See bokri in the senator. In the senator song. Be lugitu apa in a block account again. They block account make we no see you. No soon. In a platform be Chineka mabu po nigga it. That ndala. Look at no man. Look at no man. In a be threaten it nigga. Atun ewo nyenche. De lekale bari. Hungry game na Facebook that because game na usuno no be only hungry be no come na dimone kusara be. You talking to me? Okay. Ndala. Okay, run away, oh. Run away, oh. Senator son is after your life, oh. Run away, oh. Run away, oh. That is the senator son, oh. After Ogechi said, na lebu murum ne kwara mmiri ya kubu page. I'm running. Emmanuel, Senator son, he's spamming me. Run, run, run. Oga out this morning, no. Jecho to a shower epo line and so many respect to me. Fuck off from my page. The senator. Ogechi, he's scared. I'm not worried you block one. As you go, chai, actually, Auntie, so sorry. I saw this late. I already dropped message for you on. Oh, hey, as you go, my brother. Oh, Chimele, drop more. Ezigbo mmadụ. Nwokere mma. Ewo chai. Ezugo neme. Okay. I want this one. Okay. I want this one. This one. I don't know about this one. I don't really like this. Okay, I like this one too. I want this one. How many colors? How many colors do you have them? Send me your account number. I like the wig. I don't really wear wig. I like this one. I like it. Actually, I wish I were in a different colors. I wish I were in a different colors. Do you have another? Jamak boy. Oh, change your profile. Hello? It's a kind of life. I look at my life.
This is later life. When you have to just
the long one when they're different colors.
Yes, and when you're different colors.
When you're black. When you're black.
Yes, and when you're brown. I've got brown or black.
When you're brown.
And when brown, yes.
Okay. And actually, this color now the brown one. Send that my account number again.
Okay.
Yeah. Say the alarm come to the gate, comes all the two. I like him. You know, be only senator son. The baby baby has to try 1 week. Chile can't bog. This I like them, but all the I don't like it when you name me. They not the too long. Chineke na me. Till the too long. Actually, me brown and Dia is okay. The two of them is okay. Then that my account number. I can't tell you something. Mama can't add anybody. But maybe I'll try your girlfriend the wig from Ezug. Let's support our brother. They came like here. But on your name heat. I don't like something that disturbs me. Makachide can like me. Come to the come near you. Zenith Bank. What's going on? Let's Actually, the brown and 2 4 2 1 0 6 7 790. No, not the kind of man who shows 790. You can't make shish. I'm not who chapels off. Okay, don't they get eye problem? Give me the music. Sorry, we are unable to. What the cat type of wrong account number? 2 4 0 0 2 4 0 0 6 2 2 6 2 2 790 790. Oh, I got it. We got that from wrong account number. Okay. No, I gotta go get that number. Saints. You're saying no be carrying this signs you use, they cross my road. I don't even understand. Emmanuel Ifechuku. You're saying no be carrying this. You're typing rubbish, can sit down. Send to you. Sent. Yeah, I send the gummy. How many inches to call? How many inches can they tell you?
26.
On a runike. On a runike mad.
I've got 26 until go about a wire about a board. I'm not going to kill you.
Okay. But I send the rank, get the money. 2 of them. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I gotta see our dialogue.
They will. Support your brother and your business here. Actually, can't go no. Kendo Moai name Ajiba on the wig itself. And they have original human hair, no. Which house? I just bought a hair. Which house are you talking about? On my cash banana. I don't make wishing down. I know they wear a move. I don't really wear these things. Oh. I know Pascal. Gina Pascal. There, oh my dear. Na she am gonna make become. But I didn't want more and this long hairs because I didn't want to that should go. Seriously? Eh? Like seriously? Seriously? It's got my dim code yari okay. A mom na go zoka na go. And I shall lim tiri ya bribu. You go finish am now. I'll put him shiriko. Go finish am very soon. After if you are done, we will join you back. Samuel, onye na amata onye senator, onye wo oga. I don't have much to do. I just want to come and say you guys hello. Okay, if you need kai kroto small on. Manana ma like a corn. Nya kroto on marathon jakare. Tomorrow come ga. Resume my saga.
On a regular. No gang affiliation. I still dey get war. Pay attention to my greatness. I may be #1. I know they post because I know get better phone.
A cheating woman is always
Nah,
police fight.
there were some pages I'm actually now. Like in their block, which happened. I'm just my hotel with a lot of pages. I'm just make a man who don't block many things. No, they even see a lot of things. Make mistake you pack my block or give another one. So I know they see you. You're talking to yourself. La, 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 la. I want my name over. That fucking house. Too poor. Alright guys, can happen because come on, I didn't get pankata. Come on, pankata Korean. Another second round of food. Bye bye.